development is remember that your role is to facilitate leadership. Facilitate things to make it more easier. Maybe the topic, the goal, to the group. Halimbawa, tayo may facilitator tayo, gumagawa tayo ng module, di ba ganun? Para ma-assist or medyo magaanan yung grupo, magaanan na maintindihan yung topic natin. Ibig sabihin yung facilitator. Always know what you want to achieve. Kahit kahit anong pong bagay, for example, gagawa ka ng bahay, no? Dapat alam mo yung size ng bahay doon sa budget mo. Okay. Kasi nga sabi dito, always know what you want to achieve. So pag may programa kayo, halimbawa, ang grupo na ito, may program tayo, at something na kailangan ng ating budget, at ang budget